Welcome, everyone. Today we have Kaushal Sovani with us, who is an entrepreneur, a baby wearing enthusiast, a design thinker, and she believes in making parenting fun and easy. She is committed to making a difference in the way babies are dressed, carried, and cared for. Not just that, she's a double degree holder, majors in human development and a degree in special education. Her experience of working with children as a special educator and a remedial therapist has helped her in understanding the needs of children, understanding the design and trendy clothes which will be comfortable and suit them. So little did she know that her passion towards textile will mesh so beautifully with the needs of kids, thereby addressing a gap in the textile industry. You can always find something new from her design table. So welcome, Kaushal. Hi.
Thank you for the warm welcome. Thank you so much. Hi.
So Kaushal, tell us what was the inspiration for you to start your entrepreneurial journey?
Okay, so I have always been a creative person. I have been active throughout my life, and I wanted that to continue even after my pregnancy and after my delivery. So when I was expecting, I started looking for options, to carry my baby safely. Now at that point of time, this was around in 2009. So that time, all that was available in the market were those narrow based carriers, when the baby actually hangs by the crotch. And it was not a very safe position. I mean, imagine hanging like this for extended periods of time, so then I started searching around. Although India में तो और कोई options available था नहीं, and even the ones that were available were not made of suitable fabrics. They were made of synthetic fabrics, which were not suitable for our Indian tropical climate. So I searched on net, I searched online, and there were few available. There were good ones available abroad, but getting them back over here was a hassle. So that is when I decided, why not make it on my own. So that is the time I made my first ring sling, an ergonomic baby carrier, exactly in the way how you hold your child in your hand, exactly in the same way you can hold the baby in the carrier. And that is what I made when I was 6 months pregnant. And I realized that this was a need of the parents that I addressed. At that point of time, nothing of that sort was available, which was safe, which was made to wear in the Indian tropical climate, that way. Secondly, again, when I was expecting, so see, I started kind of seeing what a parent would need or what a parent would require. So my gynecologist, at around 7th month, he gave me a list. He said, "Ye list low and keep your hospital bag ready." Okay, so that was the best thing that had happened. Now, when I started sharing with my friends who were expecting, see, this is the list and you can keep it ready, for your baby. Once the baby arrives, this is what my doctor has shared with me, and it's really nice. It has helped us a lot. And the friend said कि हमारे डॉक्टर ने तो ऐसे दिया ही नहीं हमको. It is like when the baby arrived, तो उनको तो भागम दौड़ी करनी पड़ती थी. The mother was in the in the recovery. After the baby arrived, the mother was recovering. It was the father and the grandparents who were running around to find the clothes. Because हमारे इसमें culture में or traditionally, you can call it a superstition, you can call it a tradition or whatever. So pregnancy के time बच्चों के कपड़े लेते नहीं है, so वो इसलिए था कि वो पुराने जमाने में there was a high mortality rate. So with the advanced medical sciences, the mortality rate has, decreased now. So it is okay to buy. And plus, our family dynamics have been changing. So we are into nuclear family now. तो वो preparation करके रखना चाहिए. So मेरे इस time क्या हुआ था, that list, my sister-in-law said, okay, the tradition will follow the tradition, but at the same time, we'll keep the bag ready. So she kept a bag ready. She stays just, she stays a kilometer away from my place. So it's just hop, skip and jump. So when I had to go to the hospital, I had to pass by her place. So she just came down, she gave me the bag. She's like, this is the list, your bag ready hai, you take it to the hospital, you know. So it was such a smooth journey for us. And this is when, as I said earlier, when I was talking to my friends, they found this challenging. They were not prepared. So I said, why not address that need as well, you know? So what started as a passion, you know, so it was I wanted to make a difference to the people. I wanted to kind of, you know, make parenting easy. And during one of the sessions, like after my baby arrived, I did this session. I participated in a course called ISP, Infant Siddha Program. And I was carrying my daughter. She was 5 months old that time, and I was carrying my daughter in the baby carrier. She was nicely, safely, you know, sleeping peacefully. Baaju mein itna hangama awaaz ho raha tha, but she was nice and snug with me. So one of the leaders that time saw me carrying the baby, and he said, why don't you make it available for the other parents? So that is the time when we started kind of, you know, they started calling us for every batch, you know, demonstrate, show how do you wear the baby safely, share the benefits. Like baby wearing has got humongous benefits, you know, and for a first time mom, it is all the more, you know, convenient because the baby is close to you. You're kind of, you know, fulfilling the baby's needs, and plus going around with your day-to-day activities. So we started kind of, you know, sharing this with the expecting and new parents for every batch in that parenting classes. And what happened after that was we started getting requests from other parents. Ki, you know, why don't you make it available for us? Why don't you make them for us? Okay, market mein at that point of time nahi tha. So that is how the passion of sharing, as I said earlier, the passion of sharing, the passion of, you know, making the parents aware of what you could do, you know, kind of took it into a business idea.
Very interesting story, actually. Like they say, need is the you know, mother of invention. This is like literally the mother's need.
Absolutely.
Very interesting. So, but you know, it's interesting that, you know, other parents showed interest. But did you face any challenges, or was it very easy for you to just you know, since you already had your ideal customers, you had identified them? Was it easy, or did you face any challenges?
Yeah, so see, I belong to a business family. So right from childhood, I have seen kind of, you know, my father, my brother, my uncles. So I've kind of seen them doing business and business jargons, investment, ye, wo, funding, blah, blah, blah. I've heard all those terms. But kaisa tha na, ki there's also a lot of societal conditioning. So kaisa hota hai na, we are conditioned ki a woman has, when the woman, a girl grows up to be a woman, she gets married and she goes to her husband's house and wahan par ghar sambhalo. You know, so women are kind of, you know, it's ingrained in them कि तुमको घर संभालना होता है और बाहर का काम business आदमी लोग संभालते हैं. So that is one of the biggest stereotypy and a hurdle that I crossed. I'm one of the first businesswomen in the family. Okay, and so there was something from internal environment, there was something from external environment also. So internally ये सारे prejudices जो होते हैं, social stereotypes होते हैं, so that I kept on kind of, you know, demolishing at every point. So those were the challenges that I had faced. Secondly, I started this after my baby arrived. Okay, so तभी तो बड़ा ये होता है कि, oh, you should leave work, you should stay at home, you should take care of the baby, take care of her needs. Initially, you know, it's very important to, first few years are very important. So I found out a way. I'll take care of the baby also, I'll take care of the business also, I'll do both together. So there were times I used to kind of, you know, wear the baby in the carrier and go to the hospitals, go to the meetings with the doctors, go to, you know, parent training. So she would be nice. So it would be, in a way, it would be a demonstration also that she's with me and I'm still continuing with my work. So I was fulfilling her need also, my baby's need, and I was doing my business also. So at one point of time, it was so funny that, during the meetings with the doctors, my baby would say, when she started speaking, obviously, so she would say, but mama, aapne ye point to bola nahi, you forgot this point. So, she was, listening to all the points, all the benefits, and, if I forget or if I miss something, she would say, no, 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 this is not like this. You should say it like this. So, so she was there. And then I have a very hands-on partner. My husband, he's a very hands-on father, and he's also a very he himself is a creative person, and he is a part of our business. So that is one thing internally, externally that we faced. Challenges mein to, see, setting up a business, setting up ideas aate hain, but execution has got many factors, there are many layers, many challenges, and you have to keep on peeling each one of them, to reach where you want to. So yeah, so they were like, we had issues initially with karigars also, so we had to train them. They were used to, in a particular way of working. So we had to train them ki nahi, hame quality, high quality standards and time commitments hame follow karna hi hai. Okay. Second thing I always said, हम लोग road पे नहीं बेचने वाले हैं. This is something a baby will wear. So you have to make sure that the quality is extremely high. You have to stitch it very carefully. So those were the those were the things that we maintained. Then again, we have been bootstrapped, so funding was, so when we relocated from Dubai in 2009, like my mother-in-law was critical, and we had savings nahi the hamare. We had exhausted our savings in her treatment. So what we would do is we started small. So hum log 3-4 slings, 5 baby carriers banayenge, and whatever the profit was, we reinvested a part of the profit back into the business to pay the karigars, to source the raw material, and that is how we kept on increasing. So we have been a bootstrap business. So yeah, there are challenges, but what kept us going was the vision, vision to make parenting a happy and a fun experience, a vision to fulfill the needs of the parents. See, parenting does not have to be troublesome. Parenting does not have to be problematic. Parenting does not have to be worrisome. You can still have happy experiences while parenting. So that is the vision that kept us going, and all the actions or all products are, everything that goes out of our venture, out of our facility, is aligned to that vision, making parenting fun and easy.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Thank you.
So coming to that, so what makes you different? What is the USP of your product, your brand? Okay, so one is that we focus on the user, we focus on the parent and the child, whether the child is comfortable or not. So I always put my child in that position. I always put myself in that position. Okay, if I'm launching a new product today, will my child be comfortable in that? So if my child cannot be comfortable, I can't, put it in the market for another child. It's not right. It's not ethical, right? So yeah, so everything that leaves a facility is pre-washed and de-starched. So a new parent has got many things to take care of. Okay, and again, with our nuclear setup, nahi hota hai. The mother is there to to do everything. So we said, let's take one thing out of her routine. Jo bhi kapda jayega yahan se, whatever goes from a facility is pre-washed, de-starched. It is made of 100% soft cotton, premium soft cotton. We don't want anything to touch the baby's skin, which will cause a rash or which will, the color will bleed. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. So we take that much care. Even the baby carriers that we make are made of 100% breathable cotton. They are sturdy enough, but they are cotton.
कहाँ पर भी रेक्सिन नहीं यूज करते हैं, because then imagine the heat, you know, the baby is close to you, your body heat, the baby's body heat, plus वो carrier का, then it will become too hot for the baby, it will be too uncomfortable for the baby. So we have made, so these are the few things we have maintained. Secondly, we have always kind of, you know, kept the, as I said, the baby's needs in mind. So everything that we make, everything that we do is given by that.
Okay. Very nice. So it was really nice getting to know your journey and how your needs have helped so many other mothers, and you know how you're spreading this joy for other mothers. So do you have any advice or parting words you want to give to our viewers and aspiring entrepreneurs?
Yeah, so I would love to share a few things about, you know, entrepreneurial journey. See, first and foremost, follow your dreams. You never know where your dreams will take you. You have a dream, follow it, execute it. You have an idea, execute it. Idea maybe it will be big, but then execution say it will, you know, you will be able to fulfill on that idea. That is a very important thing. Secondly, start supporting other organizations, other businesses, small businesses, other people. Like in our venture, we have this thing wherein we train other women, you know. So we have women karigars also, and they are welcome to take something, you know, on their own. So we have women karigars who have been trained under our quality standards, and now they have started their own businesses, and we are so happy to see them, you know, and they're flourishing. It is really overwhelming. So that keeps supporting other people's dreams also simultaneously. Third thing is like through this organization, like I'm a part of this, you and I, both of us, we are a part of this organization called Wiki. Now we are using this platform to support the other women entrepreneurs or those who are aspiring, you know, to start their own journey, business journey. So what I would like to do is I would like to share my journey, my, you know, the challenges that I have faced, how I have overcome them. So when I start sharing it with them, they get some ideas, some inspiration कि कहाँ से क्या करना है, जो नहीं भी करना है, you know, there are many things that we have learned over the way that ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये बिल्कुल ही नहीं करना चाहिए था, you know, that way. So start supporting other, you know, people as well, you know, hold hands, go ahead together. See, competition ka zamana gaya. Competition is like gaya, old. So now it is collaboration. Come together, collaborate and go together. So collaboration over competition is the third thing that I would love to see.
Thank you, Kaushal. It was really nice getting to know your journey, and I think it'll be very interesting for inspiring for our viewers as well, because you know because I know that a lot of people are you know, they're stuck behind their family, and like you said, you know, when women they're expected to get married and take care of their family, and many are not able to break that bond, or you know, they're not able to break through that, and they fear, you know, they have that fear that, you know, what if we don't achieve, and you know, what will our family say? So your journey will be a great inspiration for these people. So
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being here with us. Thank you.